Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Instagram business profile. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Instagram business profile, start by opening the Instagram app on your smartphone. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on these lines to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Account. Scroll down and look for the option that says Switch to Professional Account. Tap on that option to begin the process. You'll be presented with two choices, Creator and Business. Select Business to proceed with activating your business profile. Next, you'll see a brief description of the features that come with a business account. Tap on Next to continue. Now, Instagram will prompt you to connect to a Facebook page. If you already have a Facebook page for your business, select it from the list. If not, you can create a new Facebook page directly from this screen. Once you've connected your Facebook page, tap on Done. Next, you'll be asked to add details like your business category and contact information. Choose the most relevant category for your business. Fill in your email address and phone number if you'd like customers to reach you through these methods. After entering your details, tap Next. You'll then have the option to set up action buttons. These buttons can help customers book appointments, buy products, or get directions. Select the relevant options that suit your business needs. Once you've set up your action buttons, tap on Done. Congratulations, your Instagram business profile is now activated. You can start sharing posts, engaging with your audience, and analyzing your performance with insights. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.